Is fired heater efficiency keeping you up at night? Or is your process-limited fired heater causing you sleepless nights? High tube metal temperatures, arch and bridge wall issues, stack temperature concerns, fouling in the convection section, heat exchangers, and SCR. Refractory hotspots, excessive firing, and emissions. These issues can cost you both sleep and money. With IGS range of solutions for fired heaters, you can improve efficiency with high-emissivity coatings, restore thermal performance with robotic convection section cleaning, and maintain operations without shutdowns through online maintenance services, all while reducing fuel consumption and emissions. Whether you're in South Africa, Alaska, or Japan, you can solve this issue. Contact IGS today and reclaim your fired heater's efficiency and peace of mind.